With code question 836, rectangle overlap. This is easy question. Let's get into it. A rectangle is represented as a list x1, y1, x2, y2, where x1, y1 are the coordinates of its bottom left corner and x2, y2 are the coordinates of its top right corner. Two rectangles overlap if the area of their intersection is positive. To be clear, two rectangles is that only touch at the corner and edge do not overlap. Given two axes aligned rectangle, return whether they overlap. Let's check with example 1. Okay, there is two-dimensional axis, x and y, and then the rectangle will start from the 0, 0 and then finish the 2, 2, so rectangle is here. And then another is a start from 1, 1, this one, and then 2, 3, 3. So easy rectangle is overlap? Yes, so return true. And then in case of example 2, start with 0, 0, and then finish. Oops. 0, 0, 1, 1, and then this one start with 1, 0, 2, 1. So this is rectangle 1, and then this is rectangle 1. Even it share the edge, this is not overlap, so return first. How we gonna do? I think this one is not algorithm question, but if we make a good approach, we can solve very simply. So in this time, I'm gonna to check two rectangle is not overlap, and then I will check this one is not overlap, because that is the much easier. This one is overlap. Overlap condition is because overlap condition is much more complicated than this one is not overlap. So in this case, I will check the 2 points. So this two rectangle is given. So if the x2 is small equal than x1, in this that is the if the x is the this one is the that means this one is the bigger, this one cannot meet. And then y also same. If this y2 is the another smaller than y1, and then this one is cannot meet. Even another coordinate is same, it cannot overlap. So I will use that one. So my my code is I will return not overlapping. So in this case, REC once x2 is smaller than REC2 x1, or and REC1 y2 is smaller REC1 to x1 y1, and then from the question the share edge is not overlap, so I will do equal, and then we also consider rectangle 2 is the left side of rectangle 1. So and then so I will copy this one and or 2, change it rectangle 2 and 1, and then we receive the x1, y1, x2, y2 is array, so we are able to access this value with index of array. So I will change x2 is 2, x1 is 0, the y2 is 3, y1 is 1, x2 is 2, x1 is 0, y2 is 3, and then y1 is 1. Okay, let's check the code. typo. Oh. Okay, looks good. Let's submit. In this case, time complex is a constant time with constant space because we do not use any iteration and then we do not use any data structure. Thank you.